Hey, good morning, Patrick here. It's Friday, man. I hope you're taking the day off. I'm working for a great customer. We tend to know a lot of the same people too, so we had some laughs this morning. But not so funny as this tub and tile. We got some problems. We got some rust. This is a metal tub. And this is very common to these two-piece tubs from the late 60s. They rust. We're gonna fix that up. We got a hole in the corner. Rust. Gonna fix that up. And we got some missing grout. So we're gonna clean this tile, clean everything, and re-grout some areas, let that dry, and then let the proper refinishing process after. Check this out. You got your hot, you got your cold, and your mixing valve. Well, you gotta be careful with these, because if you don't turn the cold on and you just got the hot, you're gonna burn yourself. But I gotta say, that's retro, that's cool, we like it. Let's refinish this in the gloss white and get her done. Up next, the finished product. 6 hours later, guys, and this is what we have. We're done. The customer, husband and wife, are just blown away by how it looks. I was able to polish up their old chrome, make it shiny again. I did replace this piece because the other one was corroded. That's the original drain cover. You can't even find those anymore. New slip resistant on the base of the tub. I fixed a bunch of missing grout, and it's tight and ready to roll in just 24 hours. That's right, in and out. Use it 24 hours later. I'm Pat Golinski. It's what I do. Thanks for sharing and watching. We got lots and lots, like 3 months more of this work booked. That's it for now.